Hey folks, Nabil from Auto Repair Champs. I've got a 2004 Ford Expedition. Radio wasn't working on this, and just one thing I was going to show you guys. So nothing was coming on here as far as all that stuff on the digital screen here. The green stuff wasn't showing, the radio wasn't working. Okay. Looks like the volume button is not working either, but anyways, so it wasn't working. So we looked at the fuse diagram here, and there's a couple of fuses that I marked down. There's this number 7, which is kind of like on that end. Looking at that fuse box in that Expedition, the fuse box in the passenger side, and so it's going to be on that area basically. Looking at this diagram, and then the number 22 and number 31. Well, the culprit in this scenario was this 20 fuse. See, you can see it's actually bad, the fuse. Okay, yep, right there. And where I moved it out from was, looking at this diagram, was number 31, which is gonna be this one right here, the yellow one, 20 amp. So let me just show you guys the diagram on this. So number 31 basically is gonna be 20A, and it's gonna say on it radio B plus subwoofer, and that's what resolved the issue on this 2004 Ford Expedition. Thanks for watching, guys. See you.